Does your tap water taste bad, smell strange, or leave buildup behind? For the best water treatment in Summerlin, Nevada, trust Kingdom Plumbing. Our experts specialize in custom water treatment systems that remove chlorine, minerals, and harmful contaminants, giving you pure, clean water straight from the tap. From whole home filtration to reverse osmosis systems, Kingdom Plumbing delivers healthier water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and protecting your appliances. Because clean water isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And with Kingdom Plumbing, it's finally within reach. For the best water treatment in Summerlin, call Kingdom Plumbing today, and enjoy water the way it should be. Why is water treatment important for homes in Summerlin, Nevada? Summerlin has hard water with high mineral content that can damage plumbing, reduce appliance efficiency, and affect taste. Water treatment ensures cleaner, softer water for daily use. How does hard water affect homes in Summerlin? Hard water causes scale buildup in pipes and appliances, leaves spots on dishes, makes laundry stiff, and can dry out skin and hair. Can water treatment improve drinking water in Summerlin? Yes. Reverse osmosis and carbon filters remove contaminants, chlorine, and impurities, giving you better tasting and healthier drinking water. Where is Kingdom Plumbing located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road No. 110, Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, www.kingdomplumbing.com/.